In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cobblemon on your BisectHosting server. So the first order of business is you want to go to your server and you want to go ahead and stop it right over here. All right, then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and select on this section that says Minecraft Tools. And then over here, you should see the option that says Minecraft Jar. And now what you want to do is you want to go to this section that says Mod Loader and then go ahead and scroll until you see Technic. It should have like a blue logo right over here. So it's going to look like this. Then over here, you guys will see this option that says Cobblemon Fabric right over here. So you can go ahead and install it from here. Unfortunately, it's not the Cobblemon for 1.20.1. It's for 1.19.2. So again, just keep that in mind. And I just want to be as transparent throughout this entire video. Anyways, go ahead and press on install right over here. And you might get something that looks like this. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, you may need to actually upgrade your plan if you're planning to actually use Cobblemon consistently with a lot of players. It is a pretty big mod pack. Even if you don't meet the recommended RAM requirements, you're still able to download it. However, it is not advised because your server could be very laggy, glitchy, etc. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on proceed anyways. But again, just keep that in mind. And what you want to do is you want to double check the jar version and your Minecraft version, press on next. And then it is going to ask you what you would like to do with your existing server files. You could either delete the files, store existing files in an empty instance if you have any instances left on BisectHosting, or you can install a new jar on top of existing files. This is 100% up to you. I'm just going to select on delete files. Press on next, then go ahead and select on confirm. Now, if it's your first time ever using Cobblemon, then it may take a little while to actually install. So just keep that in mind. And then as you're able to tell, yep, we do have it right over here. And if we go to home, you'll now notice that it is going to say Cobblemon. Now, when you join the server, you need to make sure that on your local device, you also have Cobblemon for Fabric 1.19.2. It is not going to work if you download Cobblemon for 1.20.1 or anything like that, or if you download for like CurseForge. No, it needs to be Fabric 1.19.2. So keep that in mind. So you will need to have Cobblemon both on the server, which we just did, and on your local device. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and join your server and have a ton of fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.